According to information on August 8, 2024, two KJ-600 mockups have been spotted on the flight deck of the Chinese aircraft carrier Fujian. This development suggests that the People's Liberation Army Navy is moving forward with its efforts to enhance its carrier-based airborne early warning capabilities. The KJ-600, akin to the U.S. Navy's E-2D Advanced Hawkeye, represents a major leap in China's aew technology. This aircraft is equipped with an advanced aew&c radar system capable of long-range detection and tracking of aerial targets, maritime vessels, and potentially ballistic missiles. The KJ-600's radar can provide 360-degree coverage, significantly extending the detection range of the carrier strike group, thus improving situational awareness and enhancing command and control capabilities in complex operational environments. The Fujian, designated as Type 003, was launched in June 2022 and is the third aircraft carrier to enter service with the xi'an. Unlike its predecessors, the Liaoning and Shandong, the Fujian employs electromagnetic catapults instead of the ski jump ramp used in the earlier carriers. This modern catapult system allows for the launch of heavier and more advanced aircraft, such as the KJ-600, and supports more frequent and rapid sorties, thereby increasing the operational tempo and flexibility of the carrier air wing. The KJ-600's capabilities are expected to significantly enhance the plan's operational effectiveness. Its radar system can detect and track multiple targets simultaneously, providing early warning of incoming threats and offering a detailed operational picture to the carrier strike group commander. Moreover, the integration of the KJ-600 into the Fujian's air wing is a key component of China's broader strategy to develop a blue water navy. This term refers to a maritime force capable of operating globally, far from its home ports. By enhancing its aew capabilities, the xi'an can extend its operational reach, conduct sustained operations in distant waters, and protect its maritime interests more effectively. The KJ-600's advanced sensors and communication systems also facilitate network-centric warfare, allowing the xi'an to integrate its air, sea, and land-based forces into a cohesive and highly responsive fighting force.